Now I am going to make one battery charger, 12 voltage battery charger. This is a transformer, 12 voltage 5 ampere, 12 voltage 5 ampere transformer. This is pure copper transformer, 5 ampere full wave transformer. Now this is one capacitor. This we can see here is three for secondary and 2 for primary wire. This capacitor is 50 voltage 7000 mmFT. Has 2 diode, 6 ampere diode. Each diode is 6 ampere. 6 ampere diode. Now I am going to make one charger using these things. Now I am going to fix the transformer inside this box. I am going to fix this transformer inside this box, this cabinet. This charger will be 5 ampere. If we use 20 ampere battery, then the charger will take 4 hours to make full charge. If we use 60 ampere battery, then the charger need 12 hours. 12 hours to make full charge. If we use 50 ampere battery, then charger will need 10 ampere to make full charge, because every hour this charger can charge 5 ampere. Every hour the charger can charge the battery 5 ampere. If we use 5 ampere battery, then the charger need 1 hour. If we use 10 ampere battery, the charger need 2 hours to make full charge, because this charger can make only 5 ampere. This is the AC cord. This is AC cord. AC 220. Our voltage is 220. Now I am going to use this AC cord to here. The AC voltage we will connect using switch. I am using this switch, two-way switch. Here need 2 switches. I am going to use 1 switch. Now you can see the neutral, the black one. Neutral will go to direct. The neutral will go to direct. Need to soldering the wire. Now need some tape. I am taping it. Now the phase will come using the switch. Phase will contact using switch. The red one is the phase. The phase connect with switch. Phase. I know you can connect the switch. It's very easy. This video for beginner people. Now if I'm fixing the wire here, fixing the wire here, I'm fixing the switch also. Now I have to make AC to DC voltage. This secondary is the AC, this comes AC. I use diode and capacitor to make DC. Need two diode, and both positive side will be together, and the capacitor positive will connect with the diode. Capacitor positive leg and diode positive will be together. This is the positive. Now I'm going to soldering. This is the positive output. Positive output will be from here. Positive output will be from here. The red wire. The another one have the black one is the negative voltage. Black wire is the negative voltage, and the diode and capacitor positive connector will be the positive. Here will come the AC voltage, here also will come AC voltage. The green wire, this is the AC 12. AC 12 voltage, and this one also. This one is also AC. I'm sorry, it cannot stand. The soldering ready. We can see negative and positive voltage. This is black wire, and the capacitor negative leg is the negative connection. This is the negative. The negative voltage will comes from here, from the black wire. This is the negative connector. Negative and positive come out from the capacitor. Negative and positive come out from the capacitor leg. This is the negative voltage. I am soldering the negative voltage wire, and the two diode are together. This is the positive. I am fixing using the glue. Here I am fixing here using super glue. Now I am going to connect this connector.